Wow, you're so fast.
Let's talk about inoculants.
Okay.
You do the talking. I'll do the listening.
When you're growing plants in containers, especially when they're inside, it's a very unnatural environment for them. They don't have their microbial partners in the soil. And it's even the case in our gardens because of past pesticide use or just air pollution or tilling or all kinds of things. We often have lower bacteria and fungi than we want. And so we always are trying to improve that as organic gardeners, and the main way to do that is good compost, if you can find that. Now that's hard to find and hard to decipher, but if you have some locally made worm compost, that's usually very nutritious. That goes in your soil. It has nutrients, but it also has beneficial microorganisms to establish that soil ecosystem. They protect your plants from diseases and even from some insects by being right all around the root zone and all over the leaves and being like a first line of defense up there. The other thing they do is they feed nutrients to your plants, and then the plants feed them carbohydrates in return. So it's this bartering system that happens. And so your plants really get protection and food and water.
Is this going on the blog?
Yeah. Especially a lot of the conventional potting mixes, even organic ones, are going to be kind of sterile. We want to reintroduce these microorganisms. So one way to do that is to bring some compost in. Worm compost is really great if you can find some in your area, or you can make some yourself. But there's also another one I really love called effective microorganisms, and it's a liquid you buy from Amazon.com or other places online, and you mix it with water, spray it on your plants, and it on the roots and on the soil and the leaves. It inoculates them with these beneficial microorganisms, and it's basically a liquid of just really like less than 20 different species of mostly bacteria, provide amazing benefits for plants. And what you do is you spray them onto the plants. Our spray bottle isn't working, so you're going to be the spray.
Yeah.
Psh, psh. Good.
Great.
That's your contribution to the video.
I went to university.
And you can get a bottle for, say, $20, $25, or sometimes even less on Amazon. And the results are incredible, and there are other uses for humans that I'm not going to get into today. But this is the one thing I recommend people do even before fertilizing. But we are going to talk about fertilizing in the next video, and that's all for this one.
That's all, folks.